Gold swept the sell-side liquidity around 4,540 on May 15th, marking the second reaction from the 4,500 to 4,540 order block zone. Both tests produced strong rejections, showing that this area is still attracting significant buying interest. From a market structure perspective, the sequence remains clear. A break of structure, BOS, formed in early April, followed by a change of character, CHOCH, in mid-April that shifted momentum bearish. Price then continued lower within the bearish range, cleared liquidity beneath the lows, and is now attempting a recovery move. The current idea is that the 4,540 liquidity sweep acted as a stop hunt before a potential retracement higher. The first upside target sits at the FVG between 4,575 and 4,600, which remains unfilled and still holds nearby buy-side liquidity. If momentum continues and price pushes through that imbalance zone, the next areas to watch are 4,635 to 4,644, followed by the broader resistance region around 4,658 to 4,700. However, the EMA alignment remains bearish in that area, so this outlook favors a retracement move rather than a full trend reversal. The setup remains valid while H4 holds above 4,500. A close below that level would weaken the bullish retracement scenario. Question: are you looking for the bounce from current levels or waiting for confirmation above 4,575 before entering?